What if you could teach a machine, not just to follow instructions, but to think, to adapt, to understand your world? You've heard the buzzwords, but behind every great AI system lies something deeper, a life cycle, a process, a blueprint. It starts not with data, but with a problem, a real-world need, crying out for clarity. Then comes the hunt for good data. You validate it, explore it, shape it with features only you can create, and just when your data set feels complete, you trim it down. Because in AI, less is more. You teach the machine, you tune it, you test it in the wild. Then finally, you deploy. Your model goes live. Real decisions, real impact. But your job, it's not done. Because AI isn't static. It's alive. It drifts, it changes, and you evolve with it. From data to intelligence, this is the AI lifecycle. And the next step is yours. The future of AI isn't in the lab, it's in your hands. Watch the full video now, link in description.